Here's how to import keywords into ContextMinds. On your map, hover over the green plus button and select Import Concepts. Here you can copy and paste in your list of keywords. So let's find our list. We'll select Copy and paste them in one per row. You can also add a title if you want. And then select Import Concepts and the keywords will appear on your map, like so. You can also import directly from a CSV file. So again, go to Import Concepts. Make sure you've downloaded your file as a CSV. Return to the map. Select the tab Import from CSV and upload the CSV file that you've downloaded. Make sure you have column headers included turned on if your sheet has headers. Then select the column that you want to import. Here it's the keyword column. And you can also add other columns to be attached as notes to the keyword. So select Import Concepts. And there you go. You've imported concepts and keywords into ContextMinds.